Hello students, good morning. In today's video, we will discuss how to execute your fifth program. Your fifth program is factorial of a given number. Means how we can find out the factorial of any particular number. See here, this is your fifth program. Write a C program to find factorial of a given number. Then factorial means what? How we can find out the factorial? Factorial means the multiplication of that numbers and the previous numbers. That is called as a factorial. For example, see, if you want to find out the factorial of 4, how we can find out? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means that multiplication of that number and the previous number is called as a factorial. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. So 24 into 1 is 24. The value so factorial of 4 is 24. Like this we will find out the factorial of any particular number. See here, hash include stdio.h. This is a standard header file. If you are using the standard input and output functions in your program, so this file is required. Standard input output.h. void main. Execution of C program start from void main function. Then int n I fact equals to 1. So int is the data type, n I and fact are the variables. Here we have declared initial means we have assigned the value for variable is fact equals to 1. Then write down the clear function means CLR SCR if you want to clear the previous output stream. Then printf enter any number means which number which number factorial you want, that number you can enter here. Then scanf %d ampersand n. Printf is what? See here, printf is the output function. Why it's the output function? See here, it will print means if you are given input to the computer for processing, it will calculate and it will print the result. If you want to see that result, it will print that result on monitor screen. Means it can print that result on monitor screen, means user easily can see that result. So printf is the output function. It gives the output to the user. Means whatever message you want to print, means user can easily see on the monitor screen. So printf is the output function. Remember this. Then scanf is the input function. Why it's input function? Means whatever number you will enter from keyboard, that number it computer can accept. Means it accepts the input. So scanf is the input function. Remember this. Okay, printf is the output function and scanf is the input function. This type of questions examiner can ask in Viva time. Okay. Remember, printf is the output function and scanf is the input function. Then write down the for condition. This is a looping condition. Here we are using in fifth program looping condition. There are 3 looping condition: while loop, do while loop and for loop. So in today's program we are using the for loop. So for I equals to 1, here we are assigning the value of I. Initially we assign the value of I is 1. So this is a condition. I is less than or equals to n. N means whatever number you have entered here, that number is n. If this condition is true, this I is incremented, means the value of I is initially 1. So incremented means add 1 to its this number, means first value of I is 1. So I plus plus equals to I plus 1, means 1 plus 1 is new value of I is 2. So I is incremented. Then if this condition is true, it comes out of the loop and fact equals to fact into I. This formula, using this formula we can find out the factorial. Then if this condition true, then this loop is execute again. This this loop is executing again and again up to the condition becomes false. If the condition is true, this loop is executed. If this condition is true, this loop is executed. If this condition is false, this statement is skipped, means this loop is skipped here. It comes out of the loop and whatever result we get, that result it will print on the monitor screen. That is called as a looping statement. Why we can call it as a looping statement? It executes again and again up to the condition becomes false. If the condition is true, it executes again and again. If this condition is false, it comes out of the loop and this result will print. If this condition is true, it comes inside the loop, execute this statement. If this condition is true, it comes inside the loop, execute this statement. If this condition is false, it comes out of the loop and whatever result we get, that result it will print on monitor screen. Then printf factorial of %d means factorial of which number you have entered, that number. Factorial of 4 is equals to 24 means 4 factorial is 24. So it will display on monitor screen. So write down gate ch if you want to hold the output screen. If you want to see the output screen, so write down the gate ch function. Okay, this is your 5th program. So we will see how to execute that. See, open Turbo C++. See here, already I typed that all programs because it's getting more time. So already I have typed. See here, if you saved the previous, if you want to open the previously saved program, see like this we can open the program. See here, this is your 4th program. If you want 4th program, you can open. Now today we will learn how to execute the 5th program. 5th program also I typed already. See here, go to file. If you want to open, go to open, click here OK. See, open a file, this type of message it will display. Take a cursor here, just P4. I have given the name to program is P4 means program number 4. So type here P5 and just click on open. That program is open here. See here, this is your 5th program. So write down that program. Then already I written that program, is already I typed that program. So compile using Alt C key, compile. See, there is no errors. Alt R key, run the program. See here, which number factorial you want to find out, enter that number. I want to find out the factorial of 4. So enter 4. See here, 4 factorial is 24. How it's 4 factorial is 24? Means multiplication of that number and the previous number. Means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Calculate this. 4 3 is the 12. 12 2 is the 24. 24 2, into 1 is 24. So result is 24. See here, Alt R. If you want to find out the factorial of 5, see it's a 120. 5 into 4. 5 4 is a 24. Okay, 20. Okay, 20 into 4 is 420. 80. 80 into 2 is 80. Multiply this. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The multiplication comes 120. So factorial of 5 is 120. Like this you can find out the this factorial of any particular number. Okay, this is your 5th program. If you want to quit, click on file, just press here quit, your window will quit. Okay, in next video we will see how to execute your 6th program.